Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you remove silent parts in Audacity. Now I have this example audio right here, and basically we are going to remove the silent parts from this specific audio clip to go ahead and emphasize or make our audio better. Now to do this, all you have to do is to simply double tap on your audio clip, and from there we are then going to use a feature called tourniquet noise. So once again, just go ahead and double tap on your audio right here, click on effect, and then you want to look for special. Now if it's not inside special, you will be able to see that below your list, but in my case, since I'm using the default Audacity, it's going to be inside special. Click on tourniquet silence, and from here you then want to go ahead and adjust this the way you want to. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and leave this at default just to see how powerful this tool is, but of course you can then go ahead and simply adjust the threshold, the duration, the action, and the tourniquet to right here. So in my case, I'll just click on the apply button, and from there it will then go ahead and remove all of the silent parts. Now if you want to go ahead and make this even more powerful, you can just go ahead and maybe turn the decibel into something like -10. So from there we can just go ahead and click on the apply button, and we will be able to go ahead and remove silent parts from Audacity with a single click. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.